Hello, welcome back to RC Workshop, guys. Check it out today. We are out with the GMADE R1 super modded crawler, rock racer, whatever you want to call it. Got the stock wheels and tyres on there. These things should absolutely grip the snow. Let's check it out, see if they do. Just try and get out that rut there. Let's turn the thing on first. Got a 55 turn motor in this as well, so very low speeds, but look at that. Wow. Fresh powder snow as well. See how this thing handles. There's a lot of roots and ruts underneath this snow. And yeah, that is working really well, guys. Wow. It's working better than I thought, actually. Look at the treads it's leaving in the snow. That is deep. Them wheels and tyres, more the tyres than the wheels, are churning this snow up really well. Nice grip. A bit stuck on that boulder there. Some of these ruts are really deep, guys. Check that out. Whoa. All the ruts on here, no problem for it. Wow. That is absolutely awesome. I am really impressed, guys. I say this thing ain't really been out as such. You just power over everything it gets stuck at as well. The red aluminium looks brilliant as well in the snow. Some of these ruts are fantastic. Look how deep that is. Get that coming towards us actually. Go. Got power, guys, he says. I might have to put a fusion system in this even. That is absolutely awesome. Look at it just powering through them ruts. I'm really impressed. Even over and through them. Oh, I'm gonna get stuck in that one, aren't I? Yeah, bottomed out. Oh, we bounced our way to that one and back over it. Oh, we are now stuck, officially. Oh, the nice aluminium is getting dirty. Wow, it's a machine. I'm well impressed. There you go, they're nice and steady. Fresh powder, listen to that gripping. Wow, very impressive watching all the suspension move, flexing, just cuts through the snow. That is really impressive. Now it's off the shelf as well, guys. I'll get this thing out more often. So we are stuck up on that there. Out of it. Just see them tyres gripping the snow. Wow. Hey, wants to be a nice little climby looking thing here. Again with all the snow stopping. Oh, we grip down a bit there. Power out of it. Wow. Oh, hung up on something there. Portal axles working out really nice as well for this. Just keeping that height out the bottom of the snow. Wow. Look at that. What an absolute beast. I've still got to do a video on this as well, guys, a review video. But I do like what I've seen of it so far. I've had this truck in a while, in my collection quite a while now. Just not done any videos on it. It's been a bit of a shelf queen up to today. What better day than getting it out in the snow. Wow, look at that. It literally just pulls over. It's like a little spider. Powder, guys. Might have to change the filter on this, not sure is that video coming across really dark or not. Wow. Right, let's just try holding that finger down on the trigger, see what we can do. See how long it can stay on all fours for. Look at that, just powering through it. This is better than my SG4 in the snow by far. With a fusion system in as well, that would be amazing. I think it's probably down to the 2.2s. The thick treaded tyres that are on there, just paddling through the snow. Look at that. I'm gonna have to try and slow most of that footage. Oh, hey! Fresh powder. Wow. Then we'll look to be either a sludgy iced over puddle or just a puddle of sludge. Let's try it out. This thing ain't waterproof yet though, so a bit worried. Yeah, look at the mess it's made of this, all on its own. That's awesome. Love that rut there, just the right size. Looks like there's been 30 RC cars on here, look at that. Wow. Anyway guys, so it was just a short video. I saw the snow, I had to come out in it, get the opportunity to do that. Anyway, hit that thumbs up button for me, it'd be much appreciated. And subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya! Anyway guys, so it was just a short video. I saw the snow, I had to come out in it, get the opportunity to do that. Anyway, hit that thumbs up button for me, it'd be much appreciated. And subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya!